up, guys? Car's intro.
What's up, guys? It's Connor and
Cedric. We're gonna switch down, but what's up, guys? Yep, it is Cedric and Connor. And Connor, tell them the rules if you haven't been watching this series. The CNC for the Summer Games.
okay. The rules.
Alright, Connor, you need to look at them.
Okay. No limits, no time. No time. Just the win is by hitting 30. To hit 30 points.
Yeah. So yeah, here we go, Connor. Here in Game 7 with CNC 25 Summer Games. If you guys have not watched all the other games, check it out. Here we go. And Connor will get it. It'll be tipped out of bounds. It'll be Cedric ball. Cut it off. Here we go. 0-0. Start off. Here, set for 3. Oh, good. Rebound by Connor. Connor, look for a pump fake. Still got denied. 2-0. Cedric. Now Connor, no good. Cedric 4-0 with that bucket. Connor 4-2. Now Cedric with a jumper. No good. It'll be out of bounds. It'll be Connor after the ball. Sydney's ground first up. Yeah, gets the 9. Has to reset. Connor.
You're making me scared.
Connor, man. You're just gonna shoot it. Here goes 4-2. Comes Connor.
Lucky.
Oh, Connor. Good pump fake.
You're all.
No, I got it out. Go Connor. 4-4. The bucket 4-4 tie game. Here comes Cedric. Make that 3. Get move. Still make that 3. Cedric with a 3. 7-4. Here goes Connor. No good. 9-4. Cedric. Here goes Connor. 9-6. Cedric. Oh, Connor. Crazy the car. I guess you need to run. I just practice with Connor with a 3. Oh, Cedric with 11. No good. Cedric with a jumper. No good. Oh, be out of bounds. Connor grabs 2 knows the ball. Connor for a fake. Connor looks for a deep 3. Can he hit it? Almost. Oh, Cedric no good with the slip. Look for a wonderful 3. Now, Cedric with the oh my God. I shouldn't have done that. He almost broke the rim. 11-6. Cedric. There goes Connor. Looking for another 3. Can he hit this one? No good. Cedric ball.
You touched it.
Stop it. Now I got the big Connor ball. No, man. All God missed. Cedric ball. Cedric ball. Oh.
Give me your bread so you didn't finish it.
Woo! Now Connor shot.
Give me your breadstick.
Huh? Connor, score now. Yeah! Oh, we're deep 2. Out of bounds. He said, ball crashing or something. Yeah! to 6 here. Cedric is up by 7. No good. Here comes Connor. 13-8. No good. Can Connor catch it? Yes, he can. Goes for that deep 3. They got blocked. It almost went in. Wow. 15-8. Cedric. 15-10. Cedric. Connor's only down by 5. Needs to play defense though. He wants to catch up here. 3. No good. Connor is out of bounds. Oh, pass to Cedric. Just kidding. Almost made that 3. Here comes Connor now, resetting. Shot that deep 3. Oh, that one tipped though. Didn't go right over. Resetting. He's gonna fake it. Oh my God. Real ISO. And now Fatal. Where was Connor going? But I missed still. Here goes the cause.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can. You're the fake. Oh, I hit it on the face. Nobody found Connor.
You made me.
This is a mess. 3. So good. Connor will get the rebound. 15 to 10 still. Yeah. No. Oh my God. One-legged. Oh, hits the 3. 18 to 10, Cedric. 18. Oh, Cedric. Look Connor with that bucket here. Here goes Cedric. We'll give him go 3. 3! No good. Rebound Connor. Goes that layup. Gets it. 18-14. Boom! 20-14, Cedric. No. I go with a missed layup. Connor backing up. Look at that deep 3. Can he hit it? Oh! He hit it! He hit the deep 3. Connor no celebration. What a move for the Connor. Cedric 3 nugget. Going for a layup. 20-17. 2019 when Connor, you were born. 2019. Cedric. Here goes Cedric for deep 3. Won't hit it. Connor the rebound. The lead now he lost it. Out of bounds.
What did it do?
Connor, that 3 was crazy though, right? No. Cedric has to put it up from way deep. Connor the rebound now. Connor for the lead. 21-20. Connor with the lead. Here comes Cedric. Little pump fake. They can't see it. Under my stomach. Fowler. Bodying him now. Oh, I missed, man. And now, Cedric no good. Connor still in the lead. Oh, control the game. Well, Connor go for 3. Connor! Another one, baby! Can he hit it? Almost. No! Now Connor, look for another one. Connor, another one. Oh! Oh, he hits it! Oh my God, what a celebration! Connor! Now, Cedric a 3. No good! Connor is hyped up right now. Up by 4. Connor, no way. Another one. No good. Ah, yeah, boy. 24-20 to Cedric. Cedric gonna have a Connor jumper now. Cedric a 3 over Connor. No good. Out of bounds. Connor still hyped up. Hyped up 3. Oh, what a pump fake. Connor 3. Almost. Please. Connor has it up. Has it up. Look at that. Bouncing and banging. Has to put it up. Can he hit it? Oh, good. We're past 24-24. Here comes Connor. Looking for a jumper for 2 points. To take the lead, Cedric. Yes, 25-24. Nope. 28-24. You need 2 points for the win. Connor, 28-26. I just need a basket to win, Connor. Connor needs to play defense. Here is game 7. Is this the dagger? No good. Oh, look, we're tie games. Connor needs a 3. No way. Oh, good. That's a ball. He just needs 2-pointer. Connor needs to guard 2-point and 3-point. He needs to get close up. Because the open 3 would be easy. Connor, not taking my advice, not guarding with a 3-point. This is why we get Connor. Oh. When they guard with a 3-point, Connor, you know, I get 2 threes. Connor, deep 3! The win! No good! Connor has it! Is this the dagger? No good. The win! No good. Connor, 3! There goes it into a basket! No! I'm gonna let you have that. Connor for 3. No good. Bangs back. Connor will get it one more time for 3. No good for game. 30-26. That was Cedric and Connor. Peace.